Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today we'll be continuing our chapter number 3, Entrepreneurship Development of Organization of Commerce and Management Standard 12th. Let's begin. Entrepreneurship is a purposeful activity of an individual or a group of individuals undertaken to earn profits through production or distribution of economic goods and services. It is the function performed by an entrepreneur, a process of setting new business and finding the market options by using the resources available in hand. Entrepreneurship is sometimes used as entrepreneur. It is totally different from entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is a business and entrepreneurship is a function performed by him. Now, let us see the characteristics of entrepreneurship. They are innovation, economic activity, organization building, creative activity, managerial skill and leadership, skillful management, risk bearing and gap filling function. Now let us see the characteristics of entrepreneurship in detail. The very first one is innovation. Innovation is introduction of new ideas and techniques in the process of production. Entrepreneurship focuses on continuous research and development to produce goods and satisfy the customers. Through innovation, new products arrives in the market which meets the ever-changing demands of consumers as per their likes and dislikes. It also develops new markets for the products. The next characteristics of entrepreneurship is economic activity. Entrepreneur produces goods for the satisfaction of consumers' wants and as per their demand. This helps him to earn income and get a better livelihood. Economic activity is a systematically planned activity by the entrepreneur as per his knowledge and skills. The next characteristics of entrepreneurship which we come along is organization building. Entrepreneurship is an activity which organizes land, labor and capital for production of goods. Entrepreneurship is one roof for production activity. It takes time utility, place utility and form utility into consideration for production. The next characteristic of entrepreneurship is creative activity. Entrepreneurship is a creative activity whereby new ideas are introduced. Introduction of creativity in production is a big challenge for the entrepreneur. Thus, creativity is an essential part of entrepreneurship. The fifth characteristics of entrepreneurship is managerial skills and leadership. A successful entrepreneur should have passion for his work and doing something new. His aim should not be only of earning profits. Leadership and managerial skills are the primary facets of entrepreneurship. An entrepreneur should possess the ability to lead and manage. The next characteristics of entrepreneur which we are going to learn is skillful management. An entrepreneur should be a good manager. With professional management and skilled managers, entrepreneurship becomes a successful activity. The credit of success of any entrepreneurship goes totally to good and skillful management. The next function is risk bearing. Uncertainty is defined as a risk which cannot be insured and is incalculable. Entrepreneur combines land, labor and capital for production at certain prices. After paying all the factors, he is left out with the balance, that is residual income, which we also say as profits. Profits can sometimes be negative. That means he may face losses. So, entrepreneurship is a risk bearing agent in the process of production. The last function or the characteristics of entrepreneurship is gap filling function. Gap filling function is the most significant feature of entrepreneurship. The entrepreneur has to make up with the deficiency which exists in the knowledge about the production function by imparting full knowledge required. So students, with this we come to an end to our today's session. Stay safe, God bless, thank you.